Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And okay, so let's just start this video by talking about how I've been super MIA on my channel lately. And I'm really sorry. I think I've mentioned this in previous videos that I am in school. So my time has been pretty much occupied by school lately. I'm just trying to get it done. I graduate in like 3 months. So yay, I'm really excited about that. But I just haven't had time to just film and edit and stuff. It takes me between like 5 to 7 hours to edit and upload a video. Filming isn't the problem, it's just editing and uploading that it takes up a lot of time. So I just haven't had much time to do that lately, but I am really sorry for not being on here. I've missed you guys so much. If I'm not on here though, I am on Instagram. So I'm in like Instagram stories and just on Instagram in general. So if you're not following me on there, I'll just leave the handle on the screen for you. It's ModelKrystalA. But for the most part, I do post on there pretty often, and I love IG stories, so I'm always on IG stories. That door just creeped me the hell out. Hold on one second. My bathroom door just like creaked open and it scared the crap out of me. Anywho, what was I saying? So Instagram, yeah, I'm pretty much on there all the time. So if I'm not on YouTube, then that's where I am. I do post a lot of stuff. I post makeup looks. I do PR unboxings on my IG stories, and you know, I post about new products and stuff. So definitely follow my Instagram if you're not already. Moving on to the video. For this video, I did this makeup look, just a smoky, warm tone, smoky-eyed makeup look, and I used the new Urban Decay Naked Petite palette. How freaking cute is this palette? I love it. It's so freaking cute. This is what the palette looks like. Urban Decay did send this over recently, and I just played with it today. So I'm really excited about this video for you guys. So the palette launches on February 22nd, which is just in a few days. Hopefully I can get this video up before it launches, but if I don't, then I apologize. But if I do, then hey girl, hey, this palette launches soon. But it's super cute. It's a perfect like everyday kind of palette. You can definitely get a smoky look out of it like I just did here. All the shades are matte except for this shade right here. This is a shimmery shade. And then in comparison to the original Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, so this is what that one looks like if you guys don't have it or anything. They're all different shades. Like they look similar, but the shades are all different shades and named differently. Yeah, this one is coming out soon. It's going to run for $29, and I believe it'll be available on urbandecay.com. I'm not sure where else it's going to be available. If I can find out for you guys, I'll go ahead and leave it linked down below, or just leave the information down below for you guys. But yeah, how cute is this? So we're going to be playing with this today, creating this little look I got going on here. If you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so this is the palette, and if I sound a little nasal, I'm sorry, my allergies are just going crazy right now. But we're just going to go ahead and dip on in to Wild Thing first on my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. And I'm just going to run that back and forth through the crease and upper crease and also the outer V. And this one is going to be our main transition shade for this look. Okay, so next we're going to dip into Hot Spell on that same brush, and I'm just going to apply that to the upper crease just to gradient the look a little bit more and blend it all out. I'm also taking this down along the lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going into Strike on my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, and we're just going to pat that all over the lid, and we're going to blend out that edge just so it gradients nicely into the crease and up through the upper crease. I'm also just going to be switching brushes. Right here I'm using the Sigma E25 blending brush, and then I'm also going to be using the MAC 217 brush just to really get that blended out and diffused nicely. Now I'm just going to dip into Inhale, and this is the shimmery shade in the palette, and we're just going to run that on the brow bone. I'm also going to run that through the inner corners as well. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm using the Laura Geller Eye Calligraphy Classic Tip Liquid Liner in the shade Beguiling Brown. I really love a brown eyeliner as opposed to black. It's just not as harsh, it just looks a little bit more natural. And I've also been going with half wings lately as opposed to like a full-on wing. So to each their own though, but I'm going in with a half wing. Then I'm just taking the PUR Cosmetics On Point Liner in the shade Down to Earth, and we're just going to define the outer third of the lower lash line with that. I also apply that to the inner corners as well, just so we get some definition there too. And then for mascara, I'm using the Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara. This one's really good, you guys. I love the brush on it. It's really cool. It's got like little bristles and then larger bristles, so you can like get to the base and then lengthen too. So this is a good mascara if you're looking for a new one. Okay, so here I'm just going to go back into Strike, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer third of the lower lash line right over top that eyeliner I just put down, just to smoke that out a little bit more. And then after that, I'm just going to coat the lower lashes with mascara too. And then for lashes, these have been my favorite lately. I've gone through so many of these. This is the e.l.f. Winged and Bold Lash Kit, and we're just going to magically pop them on. For blush, I'm going in with Becca's Mineralized Blush in the shade Flowerchild. This is one of my favorite blushes to use. It's kind of like a peachy pinky tone with like goldeny reflex to it, but it's not glittery. It's very, very fine golden reflex. It's really pretty. And I'm just going to go ahead and pop that on the apples of the cheeks and blend it upward. Then to get our highlight on, I'm going in with the Vitalist Healthy Glow #2 highlighter. This one is by CoverGirl. This is their brand new Vitalist collection. And this highlighter in particular has kind of like a goldeny reflect to it. I know it looked whitish in the pot, but it's got like a goldeny reflect to it. So I'm just going to pop that on the high points of the cheeks, down the bridge of the nose, and in anywhere that I would usually highlight my face in. Moving on to the lips, I'm just going to be lining with the Rimmel London Lasting Finish Stay On Lip Contouring Pencil in the shade Natural. And we're just going to line the lips with this and then also fill them in. And for lipsticks, I'm going in with the new Laura Geller Iconic Bake Sculpting Lipsticks. The first one I'm going in with is in the shade Brooklyn Beige. This is like the perfect nude shade for me. I absolutely love this shade. And then the second one I'm going in with is the Liberty Rose Gold. This one's a metallic shade. And I'm just going to pop that on the center of the lips for some added dimension. And then lastly, to set everything, I'm going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. We're just going to mist our face and we are good to go. And this is the final look.
Alright you guys, that's going to be it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed the look. It was super simple and easy to create, at least in my opinion. I hope you guys felt the same way. Just a basic smoky eye, a little bit of shimmer going on, not too crazy, not super intense. So I hope you guys find it easy to recreate. If you do recreate it, definitely tag me. I love, love, love to see your guys' recreations of any of the looks that I come up with. I love seeing them on your faces. So definitely tag me in it on Instagram. I'll leave my handle in the down bar for you guys. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it. I absolutely loved the palette. I think the pigmentation is super on point. Urban Decay just has really good eyeshadows in general. Like I love all of the entire Naked line, and this doesn't fall short at all. So yeah, let me know if you guys decide to pick it up. Once again, it does come out on the 22nd of February. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I hope to see you in my next video.